I am Sonali Dayaratna and I am the UNDP Deputy Representative in Cambodia. So the Global Entrepreneurship Week is an important platform for UNDP Cambodia to work with different partners in the entrepreneurship ecosystem to create a culture of importance for business ideas, particularly amongst young people, and to inspire them to take their ideas to the next level and potentially start up businesses. It's particularly important also because we consider this week as hopefully a means to bring young people from rural areas, from young people who have dropped out of school, and also those who are more marginalized from the entrepreneurship system into linking them with opportunities, their business ideas to take off. Also in this time when the COVID-19 has created an unprecedented global crisis, it is an opportunity for young people to come up with ideas of how to respond to this crisis with ideas for greener, cleaner, and also more digitalized economies. So this timing, I think, is quite ideal in terms of responding to this challenge. So I think in addition to the partnership we have with the Young Entrepreneurs Association in Cambodia, it would also be good to mention a couple of other key programs that we are supporting on building an entrepreneurship culture in the country. One of these is the Blue Tribe Incubator program, which is essentially trying to support young entrepreneurs to take their business ideas to the next level through a 6-month intensive on-the-job training program, which involves world-class curricula and a group of advisors. In addition to that, we also have a targeted program for women entrepreneurs, which we are carrying out through the She Incubator and Acceleration program, which again is looking at how to support young women to take their startups to a more sustainable level. And so far, these young women have been quite successful in spite of the COVID-19 socioeconomic impacts in the country to sustain their businesses. So these, I think, are two good programs that will hopefully lead to scaling up as the results come out of these. In terms of key message for Global Entrepreneurship Week, I think one of the things that needs to be pointed out is that whilst there is an emphasis on formal education in this country, and that is very good, that the entrepreneurship stream is equally important in building up the economy. As we know, micro, small and medium enterprises play a significant role in economies globally. And so I hope that through platforms like the Global Entrepreneurship Week, that we, as I said earlier, create more recognition and values around entrepreneurship in the country. Ob a sato, tivia sapada, sahakrin piab, sakol Kampuchea.